Rethinking job security in a global world. What does job security really mean? It's not just about keeping one job for life. True job security means financial stability, waking up each day with the confidence that I can provide for myself and my family, no matter what happens. And here's the surprising truth: freelancing may actually be the best way to achieve that. If you build your freelance career wisely, it can give you long-term stability and freedom. The world of work is changing everywhere. By the middle of this decade, millions of people worldwide will be freelancing, not just in the US, but in Europe, Asia, Africa, and beyond. Some will do tasks like deliveries or remote data entry, while others will succeed as writers, designers, marketers, engineers, analysts, or consultants, skilled professionals working per project, not tied to a single employer. Freelancing gives you the chance to earn your true market value without being limited by local salaries. Work with clients from different countries and industries. Design a lifestyle that works for you, whether that's flexible hours, remote work, or traveling while you work. Most importantly, freelancing means control over your own future. Instead of relying on one employer, you build multiple income streams and choose the opportunities that fit you best. And it's not just freelancers who benefit. Organizations worldwide gain from hiring freelancers because they bring insights from working with multiple clients across industries. They constantly upgrade their skills to stay competitive. They inject fresh energy and are ready to contribute immediately.
How to build your freelance career anywhere in the world. White heavy checkmark. Step 1. Identify your core value. Ask yourself, what makes me worth hiring? Are you fast, strategic, creative, or detail-oriented? Which projects do you excel at? This is your unique selling point. White heavy checkmark. Step 2. Communicate your value globally. Once you know your strengths, show them to the world. Create a strong LinkedIn profile, personal website, or portfolio. Reach out to international clients on freelancing platforms. Be clear about what you can deliver and how it benefits their business. White heavy checkmark. Step 3. Start small, learn, and improve. When starting out, take on smaller projects, even if they don't pay much at first. Each job teaches you something new and helps you understand which industries and clients fit you best. Always ask for feedback and use it to improve. White heavy checkmark. Step 4. Grow your client network. Happy clients are your best source of new work. Ask for referrals, testimonials, and introductions. Use social media and freelancing platforms to showcase your successes. Over time, your reputation will grow and opportunities will come to you. White heavy checkmark. Step 5. Join freelance communities. Wherever you live, there are online and local freelance groups. Join LinkedIn or Facebook groups, attend global virtual events, and listen to industry podcasts. These communities will help you learn, find clients, and get support from fellow freelancers.